We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear paper jam, and I'm working with an HP Laserjet MFP M425dn. So there's only a couple places that the jam will be. The first place you want to check is going to be underneath your toner. So pull that bad boy out. If it's right here, it would literally be right here. Anytime you're clearing a jam, you want to go slow and you want to be really gentle with it. If you go fast or yank really hard, you could rip some pieces of paper off inside there or possibly damage a sensor. Next place to look is going to be the back. You just click this little green gadget there. It'll open up the back. This one will be pretty easy to remove. Make sure to be slow and gentle. Last but not least, it would be right here, which this one doesn't lift up, but right here you would just pull it out. Like I said, be gentle and go real slow. If you guys are seeing lots of paper jams, it's probably time to put your printer in for a service. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.